Bobby Lee's leader. Bart Matthews in second. Chad Sanford still him on the third. Dropping like flies.
Okay, you let me know. Give me all the warning you can.
Alright, 5 minutes remaining, 5 minutes. We got Bobby D out front, Bart Matthews in second, Chad Sanford in third.
Hey, Pete, you don't want to do a quick... Hey, JW, come up here, buddy. I don't want to do a pit stop for Bobby for me real quick. Both one on each side. On his batteries, do it right up in this corner. Y'all get a game plan. One of you pull the bodies off, one start disconnecting. Y'all do it together. Get up here in this corner right here and do it. That's him right there, the orange, the red and yellow. He says he's coming in. Tim will tell you when he's going to come in.
Driver 3:30 left in this race. We got Bobby D out front, Bart Matthews in second. Jose Zayas has moved up into third place.
Well, he thought I was going to do it. When you get changed. Y'all ain't taking the body off?
Alright, we got a new leader, Jose Zayas is out front. Bobby D in second, Bart Matthews in third. With a minute 30 to go, drivers, a minute 30.
That battery stopped killing me. Every time I try to see how to put the battery down right there, they were lowering the body down. I'd get down to the floor and they'd keep lowering it down. I couldn't see how it was going in there. I tried to put it in the wires first, and it was catching back there, and I couldn't see why it wasn't going in there. And they kept dropping the thing down. I kept trying to get down.
Alright, we got Bart Matthews moving to second. Bobby D still in the third. Jose Zayas is in first. less than 1 minute, drivers, less than 1 minute. If you have the batteries to hold out. Jose Sligg leader, Bobby D. Moved back in the second. Bart fell back in the third. This is still anybody's race. There's 5 seconds left in it. 5 seconds.
Attention. The regular time for this race is over. Complete your last lap. At Stanford, you are done.
Alright, you're done, Bobby Lee, you're done.
That cost it. I was afraid of it.
Bart Matthews, you are done.
Alright, you're done. Sam, Bart, Bobby, you are done. Waiting on Jose to finish